of the essence, and I want to be clear. The international community will not support an extension of the TFG's mandate beyond the date set in the roadmap, August 20th. Now, yes, the goals we expect to achieve under this timeline are ambitious, but the people of Somalia have waited many years. They have heard many promises, they have seen many deadlines come and go, and it is past time, to buckle down and do the work that will bring stability to Somalia for the first time in many people's lives. The position of the United States is straightforward. Attempts to obstruct progress and maintain the broken status quo will not be tolerated. We will encourage the international community to impose further sanctions, including travel bans and asset freezes, on people inside and outside the TFG who seek to undermine Somalia's peace and security or to delay or even prevent the political transition.